Hi and welcome. Let's take a quick look at the ENTJ profile. And to make it effective, we will do it in short form. So get ready for a very compact presentation. ENT, extroverted, intuitive, thinking, judging, is one of the 16 personality types in the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, MBTI, system. People with the ENTJ personality type exhibit a specific set of behaviors and characteristics. Keep in mind that individuals can vary within a personality type, but here are some common behaviors associated with the ENTJ profile. Natural leadership. ENTJs often take charge and naturally assume leadership roles in various situations. Decisiveness. They are known for their ability to make quick and firm decisions. Strategic thinking. ENTJs are excellent strategists and enjoy planning for the future. Confidence. They are self-assured and have a strong belief in their abilities. Assertiveness. ENTJs are assertive and can be direct in their communication style. Goal-oriented. They are focused on achieving their objectives and are driven by results. Analytical. ENTJs have a logical and analytical approach to problem solving. Visionary. They often have a long-term vision and can see the big picture. Efficiency-driven. ENTJs value efficiency and look for ways to optimize processes. Independence. They prefer to work autonomously and may find it challenging to follow strict rules or guidelines. Energetic. ENTJs have high energy levels and can be highly active and goal-driven. Persuasiveness. They can be persuasive communicators and are skilled at influencing others. Competitiveness. ENTJs enjoy competition and thrive in challenging environments. Direct communication. They prefer straightforward communication and may not shy away from offering constructive criticism. Organization skills. ENTJs are generally organized and enjoy creating structured plans. High standards. They hold themselves and others to high standards and expect excellence. Long-range planners. ENTJs are good at envisioning future scenarios and planning for them. Tough-mindedness. They can be firm and tough-minded when it comes to achieving their goals. Eagerness to take on responsibility. ENTJs often take on significant responsibilities and excel in leadership roles. Resilience. They are determined and resilient, bouncing back from setbacks and challenges. As with any personality type, individual variations can occur, so allow for individual differences. You can check the rest of our playlist to find similar descriptions of other personality types. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.